Well, hello. Now I'm going to show you how to bypass the active boost circuit in a vintage modified Jaguar bus from Squier. First of all, I want to thank to Guitar Guts. He uploaded a nice and detailed tutorial about this, but he used soldering, and I find out that there is a much simpler way to work this out. First of all, you have to cut the yellow wire coming from the output jack right here. So I cut it with the scissor, and after that you have to cut the white wire that is entangled with a black wire that goes into the second spot of the tone dial. So a good advice is to maybe cut it like maybe in the middle or something like that, so you have some comfortable space to entangle them up. After that, you join the yellow and white wire. It is a very crude process, like you see right there, and with some tape you cover it, and that's all. And hope you find this useful.